I'm going to show you guys now is the procedure, the main steps, the main procedure in the concrete pour of a slab that is touching the soil, the ground. This slab will be a parking lot in a garage of a building. The main information that we need to know now is the slump of the concrete that is being used is slump 15 plus or minus 2 centimeters, and the compressive strength of the concrete is 30 MPa. This is the basic characteristics of the concrete that's being used. The slab, we can see plastic on the bottom. Just to compare, you can see right now we're on the ground and there's a plastic right there to avoid water loose from the concrete to the soil. So this helps to maintain the water in the concrete. Then I have steel mesh, as you can see here. That's to avoid the cracking, the excessive cracking of the concrete. And the reason that the concrete is like this is because the workers are waiting for the new concrete truck to come in and pour the rest of the concrete that's needed. We're gonna have a quick chat on what's going on, and I think you guys have the main idea of the concept. Let's take a look around. This is how it looks like. On the bottom you can see a surface polisher, and this is to give a better surface finish for the concrete of the garage. Let's just have a quick look at the surface finish, and we're all set. That's it, guys. See you all later.